Hey guys, just got done. Had to put a new blade on the mill. Just got done doing these. I gotta roll that one over. That chunk is gonna be for firewood. Then I gotta put the log stops up, and then I gotta put these back up here, but I need to turn them upwards so I can take about 2 inches off one side and then 1 inch off the other side, and then I'll have a nice wide board for the 3D room and stuff. And then I got a bunch of boards I need to flip up and rip and make boards and normal size boards and stuff out of. So that's what I'm doing today. Alrighty, let me get back at this. Hey guys, well, I got 2 boards there. Man, it's getting fucking cold out here. Shit. And then I've got I flipped that one down. I got both sides cut, and now I flipped it down so I can cut it in half. And then I got all these big pines to do. Drag them over there. Take one, drag it over there, put it up on the edge, cut one edge, lay it down, flip it over, cut the other edge, lay it flat, then cut it in half, then move all the wood from that, then come over here, get another one, do the same thing, flip it up, secure it, cut it, flip it over, secure it, cut it, flip it down, cut it in half. You know, this shit fucking takes time, dude. And to some of the newer people saying that fucking sawmilling is easy, no, it's not fucking easy. It's hard work. So people say that fucking sawmilling is easy. Bullshit. I've got all the rest of the day. I've probably got 3 or 4 more hours out here to do all this shit just to get enough wood to fucking finish my room up. So, alrighty, I'll be back when I get more wood cut up and shit. See guys, this is the shit that fucking pisses me off. You know, at the goddamn factory, they could have fucking checked this out before they fucking sent this out. These little tabs right here hold the fucking log in there so it don't move, right? Yep, okay. Anyways, trying to slab these down. What the problem is let's see where we at here. Trying to get it to where you guys can see. But this part, I can't really see. Damn it. Let's just take the motherfucker off. Anyways, this little part, right here, this much, right here. See how thick that is? It's not that thick. It's what's stopping me from sawing these fucking logs or these pieces of wood in half. Because why? Because that motherfucker right there is hitting it. This little part right here is barely touching that to where I can't pass it. So, I've got to go find a hacksaw because I don't have electric fucking grinders or anything. And I need to cut a sliver off of this on all of them. There's what? There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. And a little bit of this has to be cut off. Has to be cut off back here so that this motherfucker right here can pass. Because as it is, you can see that it won't be able to pass as it is right now. This part has to be taken off some. So now I've got to go find a goddamn metal saw, hand saw, and try to cut that shit off. Or else I'm fucking done today. Literally, fucking done. Until I get this shit fixed. Hey guys, just got done with working on the sawmill. I took the hacksaw, came down here, you can see it, cut those down, those three, and now I can run this right along here. Now I can take 2-inch boards and slice them down to 1-inch boards without hitting those. Alrighty, well, let me get back at this. I gotta put this piece of wood back up here, get it realigned, and cut it. And I will come back when I get it cut up. Hi there, guys. Oh. We got 2 boards now. These boards I'll be using in the 3D room. Just like those pine over there when I get back with some tools and some new nuts so I can put the shroud back on there. Hey guys, since I'm doing all this stuff by myself, what I'm doing is I took one of the pieces of board, stuck it across here. Then I could slide the heavier boards down, push the boards up, spin that side around there, turn it up, and then when I get this one up there, this one up there, and this one up there, and this one up there, get 3 more up there besides that one, and I'll go through and cut one side flat and then unlock them and then watch them all fall down and then flip them over and put them up and then lock them all in and then cut them and then let them fall down, take them all off, lay one down, cut it in half, then you get 2 boards, put the other one up there, cut it in half, you get 2 more boards, put the other one up there, cut it in half, you get 2 more boards, and so on, you know. So this is why it takes a long time for sawmilling like this. So alrighty, I'll be back when I get all of these right here turned into boards. we go. Couple more boards. Alrighty. Well, I got to do these two now. Well, hey guys, got the pine boards milled up. Now I can use these big old wide motherfuckers in the well, you can see how wide they are compared to my hand. Pretty wide. But now I can use these in the 3D room on the wall. I'm a little pooped out right now. Doing all this stuff by hand like I was doing. Out of practice. Oh. Alrighty. Well, let me get some of these boards up to the house because the guys have all the machines up north, so I'm gonna have to take maybe 2 or 3 of these boards at a time and walk them all the way up to the house, stick them in the window, come back here, grab 2 or 3 more, walk all the way up there, back and forth, back and forth. Alrighty, you guys have a good one. Hey guys, took me about an hour and I'd say it took me about an hour. I got all the boards up here. Got 3 of them left in the garage. But I had to walk, take one of these boards from way out back, walk it all the way up here, get all the boards up here, then get all the boards in the window. And now I need to get them in the room, get the window closed, and lay them up against the wall. And then I'll work on this tomorrow because it's supposed to snow and rain tomorrow. So that's why I wanted to get these boards done, so I'll have something to do tomorrow when it's raining and snowing outside. So, yeah. And like I said, it took me about an hour walking back and forth, taking individual pieces of board from way out back and walking them up here and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, so, alrighty. You guys have a good night.